Are you a skilled Class 1 tramper driver looking for a great opportunity? Shipley Transport Services is hiring. Join our team and drive our modern fleet, featuring top-of-the-line Volvo and DAF trucks with the latest technology in telematics. Your role: heavy checkmark drive and maintain an HGV Class 1 vehicle with professionalism. Heavy checkmark deliver and collect goods while providing excellent customer service. Heavy checkmark ensure all loads are properly secured and adhere to safety regulations. Heavy checkmark work flexibly, including weekends when required. Heavy checkmark maintain a professional appearance and demonstrate strong communication skills. Heavy checkmark work as part of a team to keep operations running smoothly. About Shipley Transport Services. Established in 1980, we are a family-owned, reputable road haulage company based in West Yorkshire. With a strong presence across the UK, Ireland, and Europe, we take pride in our reliability, flexibility, and customer service. Our services include full and part load haulage, pallet distribution, air and sea freight, and contract distribution. Join a company that values its drivers and invests in top-tier vehicles and logistics solutions.
For further details about this position and to submit your application, please check the link in the video description below.